What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning, early afternoon, 12:13, early afternoon from Johannesburg, South Africa. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Quick little update here. We're sitting at 30,655. We're up about 1.19 on the day. Sitting at a market cap of 580 billion. 24-hour volume, 24.46 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime. Travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 30-minute time frame. We broke out of our large descending channel, but I would keep a close eye on a bull trap. We do have a rising wedge with a bearish divergence. So if you see us, looks like we may be coming up to create a double top. Excuse me. If you see us create this double top and we break down and we start to lose this rising wedge, could be a nice little short opportunity to bring us down into this pattern. And you'd be in a technical target down to about 29.6K, right around this purple support box. See the support here? Support and resistance in that area. So that would be a good area to lock in some profits if we do break down from that rising wedge. Now, if we were to break out to the upside here, what you would do is you would measure the body of your rising wedge, take it to your point of breakout, and that could basically take you back up to retest this swing high. Now, this is our wave 4. If I pop over to our next chart on the 4-hour time frame, as of right now, this is our wave 4 high with our Elliott wave structure. But if we break this high, then that could extend the wave 4 up to 33 to 34,000. We still are. Let me remove this line so it's not distracting. We're still in this descending triangle. As you can see, we're just starting to break out. There isn't a lot of volume here. We had a pump over the weekend liquidating the shorts, and then everyone starts to jump into long trades. And sometimes what will happen is the whales will push the price back down, liquidate the longs, and the price will fall back down into the pattern. But as I said, if we were to continue to break out of this rising wedge pattern, that's when you can see us push up to about 31.2K. If we break this high, then I would expect you to push up to that 33 to 34K level. I was mentioning that we may be going through a 5-way structure. So even if we were to push up to 31.1 and we got rejected and we come down and lose 28.7 and we lose 28.7, then your wave 5 is still valid down to that 22 to 24K level. So if we pop over to the next chart, which is here on the daily, there was a little bit of an article talking about the bullish divergence on the daily. So I'll quickly show it to you guys here on the chart. As you can see, we have created a lower low while creating a higher low on the RSI. Now, I wouldn't put too much emphasis in this bullish divergence, as we can easily come down to 22 to 24K and continue to print that bullish divergence on the daily. And in each and every bear market, we came down to the 200-week moving average, as I've been mentioning, which comes in at that 22 to 24K level. The 20 EMA is starting to come down here on the daily. So if we push up, we hit it as resistance, we may get rejected and then begin to roll. We have this bear flag pattern that takes you down to 22K as well. I'd still think the best case scenario is that push up to 33 to 34,000, get rejected, complete the wave 4, and then see our final wave 5 down to 22 to 24K. But this could very likely be the high of wave 4. And we're just consolidating before seeing that move down to 22 to 24K. If we break that high, then do expect that push up to 33 to 34,000 in my opinion. That's basically it in the short term. Just watch this rising wedge. We do have a bearish divergence, so if it breaks down, you would target the bottom of the wedge coming in at 29.7K. And if it breaks to the upside, your technical target would be up here at about 31.1 thousand. It looks like we may put in a double top pattern here on the 30-minute chart. So if you see us put in that double top, we come down, we lose that neckline, we break down out of the rising wedge. I would expect you to come down to that 29.6, 29.7K level. If we come back down into this descending triangle, higher likelihood you're going to come all the way back down to 28.7. So big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, posting their own entries and exits for their trades. At the $10 membership, I also give my own trade signals, my exact entries, exits, take profits. And we have the DCA trade strategy, very simple, low stress way of trading, dollar cost averaging as price is dropping and then selling once price starts to reverse and repeating the cycle. It's fully explained in the Discord, and we have buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into some of your altcoin positions. And of course, my trade signals. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, $4,100 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.